Hey, welcome to my kitchen flavors. I hope you are doing super duper well today. Now, I love African tea, and today I am going to be showing you how to brew this authentic tea the Ugandan way. It's delicious, refreshing, spicy, healthy, and it's sure to lift you up on those cold and dreary days. Alright, so here I have 2 teaspoons of loose black tea, which I prefer to tea bags because they have a vibrant flavor and a smooth finish. Plus I get to use the leftover tea in the compost. This here is 3 tablespoons of grated ginger, which is going to add that zing to my tea. In this little bowl, I have half a teaspoon of rosemary, which has the advantage of boosting memory, reducing anxiety, and I use it because it just makes me come alive. Now next to that, I have another aromatic. That's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which I absolutely love. It's also got many health benefits, which you can Google at your own convenience. In this other small bowl, I have some cloves. They promote blood circulation, aid in digestion, and lift up the mood. Because it's strong in taste, I'm only using a 1/4 teaspoon of it. Now here I have half a teaspoon of black pepper to give my tea that zzz. You know, that thing that will shock any bad bacteria in your system to the point where they'll be like, Cali tugenze. For the liquids, I have 3.5 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Now you should go ahead and use the water to milk ratios that work best for you. So the very first thing we're going to do is add water to a saucepan like so, and then we're going to add all of our spices. Oh, by the way, feel free to use whole spices if you can, because after all, they do offer more wholesome benefits than the more convenient milled stuff that I am using. Now, once you've added everything to your saucepan, you want to turn on the flame and bring the water to a boil, reduce the heat, and allow it to simmer covered for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is going to ensure that the water is infused bulungi with all that goodness from the spices. You will also notice that the water has turned into this beautiful, rich, dark amber color. Next, you want to take your heat back to high and then go in with your milk and your loose tea leaves. You also want to watch your saucepan very carefully from this point because you don't want your milk to boil over. Alright, as you can see, the milk is just starting to boil, and what you want to do at this point is get a hold of a metal spoon like this one and start mixing the tea like so. Now this is going to prevent the milk from boiling over while the tea is maturing. What I mean by this is that the tea leaves need to open up and release their flavor into the liquid without the milk hindering the process by boiling over. I hope that makes sense. So you want to just keep mixing this every now and then for the next 10 minutes or so. Kati, I just wanted to say a big thank you to my seasoned subscribers again, and to my new subscribers, you are welcome into my kitchen flavors. Many thanks for the likes and the shares and all the beautiful comments and the questions too. If you're finding value in this space and haven't yet subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so. At this point, our tea has matured bulungi and it's time to serve it up. Now, we love our tea piping hot and we'll usually serve it out of a thermos flask. I find it less messy to first strain the tea into some kind of vessel before transferring it into the flask or a teapot if you're using one. Alright, to sweeten your tea, you may use sugar or honey or stevia or whatever it is that you use to sweeten your teas, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to click on any of the videos on the screen to enjoy more simple recipes from my kitchen flavors. Until next time, have an amazing day or night, and God bless you big time. Bye!